What's up, Neil?
Why are you in the treehouse room?
Well, because we didn't have enough students to be in the other room, so we're in a smaller room, and there's still no one here.
Well, what are we going to do about it?
I don't know. We just gotta figure out a way to get them to come.
Hold up. What if we do a ton of publicity stunts?
Like what? What do you got in mind?
Parkour. Accent contest. We could even do a pepper eating contest.
Who in the heck is gonna do a pepper eating contest?
I don't know.
Do you think they'll go for that?
I don't know. Well, what if we test it?
You and me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do it. Alright, the first pepper we have up is a Spanish bell pepper. The American habanero pepper. Oh gosh! Okay, that one's gonna be a good starting level. One of the top 10 hottest peppers in the world. That one sucks. Nope. Cucumber potato break. You don't like this?
No.
That is not bad. This one's not pleasant. I tried it earlier. It's not bad. Oh! It's just called death.
Oh.
Not bad. I think my throat's swelling. Swelling? Me. No, me. Not me. I wanna go home. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching our video. Hit this button right here to subscribe and come to Connect Group.
Yeah, you better be here after this.